Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is the Burning Years. Remember those series? So this one's different. The different thing about this one is that like a day ago, I put super glue gel all over this and I let this to sit and dry up. You can see it's very like puffed up. And now we're gonna turn it on with this lighter. And as always, in the dark. Let's get it different. This is super glue gel, by the way, Gorilla Glue version, of course. Let's get closer. I don't know why I'm so shaky. Oh, that's it. Oh, look at that. I have super glue, flex super glue. I might get like another motor and just, do all that and let that sit. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to do more. But you know that I'm already